it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing the Nostalgic Candy Club. This is a monthly retro candy subscription, so each box does a different decade, right? And then they'll send you 6 to 8 pieces from that decade. Don't know what decade this is, we're going to find out together. They're $19.99 a box. I love how, like, cute it is. It's just, like, perfect. It's candy. I love candy. Alright, so you open it up. It says, your sweet tooth thanks you. And then it does our favorite candy from our favorite states. Oh, so this isn't a decade, I don't think. This is just the candies. I don't, right looking at this, I don't recognize any of these except, oh, Smarties. Everybody knows Smarties. Ooh, Chico Sticks. Oh my gosh, I love Chico Sticks. Oh, these are so delicious. They've changed a lot. They feel thicker though. This is crunchy peanut butter and toasted coconut candy. Share me, break me. These were like so popular when I was a kid, when you could go to like the pen. That was like a thing, guys. If you're under a certain age, you could go to the store and pay like a dime and get one of these. A dime. You could go to the store with pennies and buy candy. Penny candy. It was a real thing. It was a real thing. It's not anymore. Alright, next we have, this is from a company called Reed's Butterscotch. I'm guessing these are hard candies. And then there's root beer. My kids are going to love these. They love root beer. Me, not so much, but. Alright, then we've got Hawaii Idaho Spud candy bar. The candy bar that makes Idaho famous. I've never heard of. Is it going to be potato candy? Oh, because potato candy is so good. I don't know, it doesn't look like there's potato in it. But anyway, that would be so cool. But how cute is that? Hilarious. Alright. Ooh, these are so good. They still make these. What's the name of the company? I've never actually known. Oh, Goats's Original Caramel Creams. This is a 10-pack. I've never seen them like this. I've only ever seen them individually wrapped. I love these. They're so good. They're so good. More Smarties. More Smarties. Oh, Fruities. The Fruity Tootsie Rolls. Tootsie Fruit Chews, the lemon and green. My absolute favorite is the lemon and vanilla. And then you can mix them and they taste even better. It's like a smoothie. Ooh, a Fireball. Oh my goodness. These are awesome. These will pop up in my kids' like Halloween bags occasionally. I always steal them. I don't think they'd eat it anyway because it is kind of spicy. Alright, then we've got an E-Fruity Spongy Gummy Center Gummy Cupcake. I've never heard of that. I don't think that's retro. I think that's current, but they just threw that in there for fun. Then we've got these. What are these even called? I remember these. They're like weird little mints, right? Or they're from Brax. Yeah, Brax. But what is it? Well, look at the paper then. And then we've got a Twin Bing. This is from Sioux City, Iowa. Palmer Candy Company. That's funny because we have a Palmer here in Pennsylvania. Palmer Candy. I've never heard of this. Twin Bing. There's 2 things in here. So let's read our little paper. Alright, so we've got the Twin Bing. Introduced in 1923 from the Sioux City, Iowa-based Palmer Candy Company, the Bing bar was originally made in many different fruit flavors, but the cherry, so it's a cherry, that's the name Bing, duh, went out and is now their star attraction. Did you know that as 1920s to 1930s, the candy bar was released in a crowbar package that included trading cards featuring film stars? Alright, so Reed's Hard Candy was founded in Chicago, Illinois. They're carefully manufactured to avoid bubbles. The Chico Sticks, where are they from? It doesn't say. Oh, Texas. And then the Idaho Spud, we clearly know where that came from. So that is everything that we received in our nostalgic candy box. I love this. $19.99 for all this like retro fun candy. Like some of it takes me, these babies take me back. And I'm going to tell you this right now. My kids can try all they want, but they're not getting these. These are mom's. Just mine. If you're interested in my full review, I'll link to that below. I'll also link to Nostalgic Candy Club so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.